Yo, I literally never do this. So you know how I made the trade recap, right? I said, right, it was a red day. And then I said I would check Asia later on, see what's going on. Bro, Asia has been fucking cooking for me lately, bro. This shit's fucking wild. Oh no. Hold on. Bro, I fucking made the day green. And I what like look I literally came into Asia. I wasn't like focused on like turning the day into a green day. I just wanted to see if my model would form itself in a good way. And it fucking did. And it was fucking beautiful, bro. Asia, like I'm actually geeking right now, bro. Asia has been cooking so hard for me. And it's actually amazing because I can sit at my desk and not be in school and I can trade Asia. So if Asia continues to cook like this for me, I'm more than happy. Um, but yeah, I'm fucking really happy with the day. Right, we ended the day green, so we're doing well. I mean, that's not really why it's a good day. It's a good day because I follow my model really well. Basically, oh my god, I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it, bro. It's trading down here. Let's see. I'm curious to see if this will play out. I'm not feeling. I mean, I am feeling a bit of FOMO, bro, because basically, okay. Let me do a trade recap. Same day, also. The we had this NWOG, right? This new week opening gap, and if you know anything about those they're very strong draws on liquidity. I took this on my alpha account too, which is really nice. Took it on the alpha, took it on the top step as well. But if you know anything about um, what's called NWOGs, new week opening gaps, very strong draws on liquidity, right? Like this huge freaking gap, right? It's just a very strong draw. As you can see, price is drawing there right now. That was what I saw going into Asia. We ended up creating this bearish 30 minute, and then we filled it. From there, there was this 3 minute inverse right here. Took it off that, and it's a beautiful continuation model, right? That's what Asia did for me today. Presented a continuation model, and I took it, and it was beautiful. This is an A plus continuation model, right? We're very strong draw on liquidity being our new week opening gap. Retracement into a 30 minute fair value gap, and then a 3 minute inverse. It's literally exactly what I look for. If you obviously know how I trade, you've seen my backtesting, you've seen my trade recaps. This is just how I trade. Filled the gap, right? We retraced into a bigger time frame gap and lower time frame inverse to the external draw on liquidity. Originally I was targeting the NWOG, right? My stops above the 3 minute candle high. Originally I was targeting the new week opening gap, but I kind of realized like, okay, this is a 4.62 RR. Trying to catch that in Asia session might be a little bit crazy. So I decided to just, okay, I'm not going to be greedy. If I can get 1 to 6 hours, literally just targeting this 1 to 7, just targeting this internal low, I might as well just take what I can get, right? It's Asia. I'm not trying to be greedy. Like, because if it reversed here, I'd have been like, oh, I was greedy. I wanted to hold all the way to the new week opening gap. Like, this is like, just how I backtested it also. So that's probably the best thing you should do. And, like, yes, my whole objective and the whole point, like, it's a continuation model towards the draw on liquidity, so it would make sense for me to target this, my draw on liquidity. But again, if I can get a good risk reward without having to do that, I just don't need to do it. But yeah, very content with that. I mean, yeah, I feel a little bit of FOMO because I also knew we had this unfilled 15 minute that we were going to trade to, and I wanted to hold to that. But again, I saw this internal low, and I was like, if it reverses off its internal low, I'm gonna be pretty pissed. Should I have done that? No, I mean, it's kind of an emotional decision. But again, I had 1 to 7 R, so I wanted 1.7 R. So like I was like, okay, I'll just take this. I don't need to be crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. A beautiful trade. We also had SMT at these highs, but it doesn't matter. Move stop to break even once we inverted this 1 minute gap right here. But yeah, like, bro, you guys are gonna comment for this, but like Asia's been moving fucking beautifully. I mean, like, look at this. Asia opens here, okay? Asia opens here. I mean, we have this fucking move, right? Because that's just how Asia is when it opens. We trade up, we trade back down, right? And then we continue market maker buy model, and then boom, inverses to the downside. Now we're in a market maker sell model to the NWOG. Like, doesn't this look this is just deliberately good price action. We're respecting all of the higher time frame bearish PD rates because we have a higher time frame bearish strong liquidity. And then, of course, the internal PD rate isn't as important. But like again, this price action is better than the fucking New York price action. Today, maybe not, but like overall, usually, because today was tricky. But yeah, ending the day green up 300 on the day. So a nice way to end my night. It's a nice way to end my day. Fuck, that's a bad voice. But yeah, that was beautiful. I mean, I don't know what else. I mean, that was really nice. So that's pretty much it. I have nothing else to say. I'm pretty content with what I did. I made a good decision making and everything. So from like, honestly, like I've never even made this a rule, but like I can take trades in Asia. I'm never going to like dedicate a time to go sit down and watch the charts during Asia session because I don't want to have to fucking be looking at the charts during New York and then also Asia. It's just retarded. If I can't trade New York in school some days, I'll just look at Asia that day. But like overall, like I don't need to be trading 2 sessions. I just stick to one. And then of course, if I can see like in the gym, basically I saw this new opening gap. Oh shit! I saw that new opening gap. And then when I was done with the gym, I ate. I wasn't even worrying about the charts. I came up, showered, relaxed. I got on to do some back testing, whatever. Look at the charts, see if anything's going on, and then price action was beautiful. And I was like, okay, if my setup forms, which it looks like it could, I'll take the trade, and I did. So I'm not really like. It's not like I'm like fucking trading all the sessions like literally on the charts 24/7. It's not like that. Which is what people think when you say that you trade Asia and New York. It's like, oh, you're a geek, right? But no, not for me. But anyways, I'm pretty content with what I did. I had good decision making. I followed my model very well. I followed my continuation model perfectly. So I've never done this two videos in one day because I started the day red and then I ended the green on Asia. I'm counting this by the way as Tuesday, not Wednesday, even though the futures thing counts as Wednesday. Doesn't matter. This is still Tuesday, 4/22. It's gonna be the same. I'm just gonna post another trade recap. But yeah, I'm gonna appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.